Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to set a custom chat wallpaper color on Telegram using the latest updated steps. If you're tired of the default look and want something more personal or easier on your eyes, this is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open up the main navigation panel where all your account options are located. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience, including notifications, privacy, and appearance. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and feel, including themes, text size, and wallpapers. Now find and tap on Change Chat Wallpaper. Here you'll see different options for customizing your chat background. To set a simple and clean look, tap on Set a Color. Telegram gives you a range of colors to choose from, so take a moment to pick one that fits your style. You can go for something bright and vibrant or soft and minimal, depending on your preference. After selecting your color, confirm your choice, and that's it. Your chat background will instantly update with the new color. This is a great way to personalize your chats and make your messaging experience more enjoyable, especially if you spend a lot of time on Telegram. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your apps. Thanks for watching.